In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Wix. This is a handy skill when you're redesigning your website or if there's a section you want to temporarily remove from public view without deleting it permanently. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. You'll need to open the Wix Editor to start this process. If you're unfamiliar, the editor is the workspace where you can make all sorts of changes to your site, from design tweaks to content updates. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to locate the page that contains the section you wish to hide. This step is crucial since hiding a section is done on a page-by-page basis. Now, over on the left side of your screen, you'll see an icon labeled Pages and Menu. Clicking on this will allow you to view all of the pages and subsections that make up your site. This menu is your sitemap at a glance, and it's here that you'll choose the specific page you're looking to alter. Next, to initiate any changes, you're going to need to click on the Add Elements button. This is a very versatile tool in Wix, where you create and manipulate nearly every aspect of your site. Once you've opened up this section, it's a simple step from here to find the Strip option. This part of the process is straightforward. You'll select Strip from the list of options, which will offer you various strip types. Once you've selected Strip, click on the subcategory labeled Classic. Using the classic strip style gives you a neutral approach that blends in easily with existing content. Now you'll need to drag the strip to where you want it on your page. This can be near the section you plan to hide, making it easier to toggle visibility later. It's just like a placeholder that marks where your hidden section will rest temporarily. Finally, to actually hide the section, click on the portion you'd like to disappear and move it into the newly created strip. The magic of Wix is that although the section vanishes from the editor's visible area, it isn't gone forever. Instead, Wix retains it neatly within your Layers panel, a tool accessible from your main workspace. This way, if you ever wish to make the section visible again, all you need to do is retrieve it from the layers. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to hide a section in Wix. This process helps manage your content seamlessly, ensuring your site looks exactly how you want it, whenever you want it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions or need further assistance.